Hi there, welcome back. So today I got this 2014 Kia Cadenza. So I'm doing the crankshaft position sensor on it. So I watch a few videos where they say you have to remove the muffler and all those things out the way, but I didn't do that. I just do it from underneath. So I jack up the car, put it on two jack stands. So I got one there, one on that side, and also I just go. The easiest way to get it out though is to remove this guard, but I didn't remove it. I just wrap my way around it and get it through that hole up there. That's the connector. Let me see. Like I said, I can use this screwdriver to show you the plug for it. So that's the plug for it right there, guys. That's it. So I use this long screwdriver. It's really long. It's got Arbor Freight. So I just use it to push off the clip from that bracket up there. Show you that bracket. See where the screwdriver pointing and that bracket right there. Tip off the screwdriver right there, that bracket up there, guys. That's it right there. So I push it off and use the same screwdriver to pull the clip. Open the clip and push it off. So there's a white clip on top of it. Goes to lock the connector in place on top of it, guys. So you have to take your time and push it off, and don't let it come out because it's really hard to get back on. So this is the 10 bolt I removed from it. This 10 bolt, and all I need is a small 10 socket on an angle like this one, guys. As you can see, it's really small. That's it. I'm gonna put the link where you can get one of these socket set with this one in there, guys. You can use to remove it. As you can see, I remove it. You don't remove anything in there. So let me show you from up above as well. So as you can see, this is the car. Don't remove nothing. All I do, it's my first time doing it, so I remove this cover first to check to see where it is. And that's it. So all I need to do is put back this cover on there. And I finish. But guys, as you can see, just remove it from there. That's it. And the part number is where it is. That's the part number right there. SU 14890. That's it. So I'm gonna work my way back in to get this in. So the sensor set something like this inside the hole, like this. So turn up like this, guys, and the screw get in there. So if your hand really small, you can use your hand to get that screw out, just like I did. That's it. So I'm gonna fit it back in the hole. See if I can get it back in there easily. So the motor is a bit hot, so I'll leave it for a few hours to cool, but it's still warm. Alright, I maybe have to use my hand, but I want to make sure I get it in there, guys, so you can see that I really get it in there from here. Alright, so I just get it in there, so I'm going to try see if I can catch the screw while I'm videoing it on one hand. Right, I'll get the screw in. Let me see if I can put the camera up there and show you guys. Let's see. Alright guys, so I have to start over the video. So let's see. Alright, so that's the sensor right there guys. That screw. That's it. Here go right there guys. So that's the 10 volt that was put in the sensor. So hold it in place. That's the connector, that's the white piece right there. So I'm just gonna put it back in there in the clip and push it slightly back on that piece of metal. So let me tighten that bolt and then show you guys what it look like up there. Alright guys, so I got it on. It's a little challenging, but I'll get the plug back on the wire on the sensor. Let's see. Alright, so here it is. Got it back on there. Alright, as you can see right there guys, I plug it back and make sure to put it back on the bracket. You can see right there above that wire, that's it right there up there guys. You can see some of the bracket right there. That's it guys, so everything back in place. Alright, so that's it for now guys. So if I find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.